6:21, storm surge rushing in. I've got to get out of here while I still can. One o'clock p.m. Just got off of Interstate 10, exit 13. We're about 3 miles south of the interstate here, and just 5 miles north of here, I used to be in a Coast Guard unit here stationed in the Kill. And if you look behind me, the residents here of Waveland and surrounding areas have brought their vehicles and their possessions to higher ground, trying to escape the storm surge of Hurricane Zeta, which will be making landfall here in the next 4 or 5 hours just west of here. But this area is probably going to get the worst of the storm surge. I'll show you around real quick, guys. Look at the water already rising on the road. A very flood-prone area here in southwest Mississippi. Just got out of Waveland, headed west on Interstate 10 towards Slidell. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull over at the next rest area or restaurant or maybe gas station, get a quick bite to eat, kind of study the radar imagery, because the system looks like it's really starting to move quicker, especially to the northeast. It's kind of making that turn now. And I think I just saw a wobble on radar. And if he goes any further east, New Orleans probably going to be in the clear. They got the western eye wall, which won't be so bad, just due to the forward movement of the storm. So I'm going to pull over up here, study the radar, and plot my next move. Crossing the Pearl River, and of course, welcome to Louisiana. 2:04 p.m., just a few hours outside of landfall here in Slidell, Louisiana at the moment. Getting a quick bite to eat. And it looks like this system is up to 105 mile per hour sustained, just a few mile an hour short of a Category 3 major hurricane. And of course, I had to order the Caniac. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm ready to chow down and chase this monster. Oh my goodness. 3:15 p.m. Lake St. Catherine here behind me on the southeast Louisiana coast. Trying to figure out a place to ride out Hurricane Zeta. It looks like it's going to make landfall as a Category 3 hurricane. National Hurricane Center just issued advisories bumping it up to 110 mile an hour sustained winds. The storm's about 50 miles offshore right now, and it's really starting to deteriorate out here. We're going to go ahead and hop in the truck. We're going to make our way a little bit further south. We're going to try to find some higher ground out here. It looks like this is a very, very storm surge prone area. We don't want to get caught in a bad position out here. Just east of New Orleans, at the levees lock. Headed north towards Slidell. It's really, really getting nasty out here now. We are on the outside of Hurricane Zeta's core. Just about a ghost town. First vehicle I've seen in probably 15 miles. Trying to make it out of here before the storm surge picks up. We are in marshy area, unfamiliar territory. This is getting dangerous. It's right here on the Louisiana-Mississippi line. Feeling a little bit better about the chase now, since I'm a little bit closer to my final destination, which I'm pretty sure is going to be Burlington. If not, I'm thinking Waveland, but trying to stay off the coast just a bit. Storm surge is really, really going to be bad in that pocket between Louisiana and Mississippi. It's going to be like all the wind funneling the water into that one area. So East Pearl River, crossing the state line here from Louisiana into Mississippi. We have officially made it into Burlington, Mississippi. What a wild chase. I feel like I'm chasing my tail around back and forth, but headed back south of Slidell now. Hurricane Zeta made landfall about 10-15 minutes ago, and I just felt like I was too far to the east. So headed back southwest now, and we are sure to punch Zeta's core. That is it. There's no backing out. So it's very gusty up here right now. But we're gonna try to get you some of the best video we can. And here we go. 4:30 p.m. I've made my way back to Lake St. Catherine. Kind of a tongue twister there, hard to say for me. But conditions are really starting to go downhill. Hurricane Zeta has made landfall about 40 miles south of us, southwest of us right now. It's making its way northeast. Do a pan around real quick and show you what's behind me. I've got the bridge right there just in case storm surge decides to get a little bit higher than what I'm comfortable with. We can go up onto the edge of the bridge right there. Behind me there's a whole marina. Looks like 90% of the boats have been taken out of here. There's only one or two left in the bays there. You got some houses here, little bait tackle, nice machines, some different shrimp guys down there. A lot of people, commercial fish down here, a lot of shrimp boats and stuff like that. That's the kind of community this is. So we're kind of like right in the heart of the bayou, the swamp. And it's going to get really nasty here, probably in the next 30 minutes or so. 45 p.m. here, really starting to get gusty. Here, chasing Zeta from the truck. .04 p.m. It's really getting nasty. We're not even near the eye wall. Storm surge is coming up to this levee here. It's like a levee road that we're on. The road is on a levee, and water's really starting to rise. 5:16 p.m. .35, wind's really kicking up, probably 70 mile an hour sustained. We're about 20 miles from Hurricane Zeta's core, and it's got a scary roar to it. Looking through the boathouse, we are taking a hard hit here. 5:49 p.m. Almost in the eye wall, just northeast of New Orleans, Louisiana. Back where we started about a little over an hour ago. Saw a transformer explode and came down here to see what was going on, and sure enough, power pole snapped off at the base and looks like down power lines. Hurricane Zeta's innermost core is still not here yet. (6:02 p.m. Storm surge really starting to fill in now. The wind's not letting up. Fixing to lose the roof on this building here. I sure hope the worst of this comes before dark. Saw a piece of flashing fly off. Hurricane Zeta's most violent winds are on us now. Truck is really rocking. Surge is rising. I don't want to be trapped in here, so I'm going to pull forward a little bit. We're right on the water. gonna try to get through here before I get stuck. Water is already rising, as you can see. Storm surge is really starting to come in. Getting a little dangerous. .621, storm surge rushing in. I've got to get out of here while I still can. Almost whiteout conditions. No way that this thing's gonna make it. We're feeling probably gusts in excess of 100 miles an hour, I'm sure. Storm surge really filling in now, 6:34 p.m. We are almost inside of Hurricane Zeta's eye. I'm on a little bit of high ground here, and I'm gonna start backing out because I can see the water rising. There's a 3-phase power pole right there, and it's really flexing. I don't want it to come down on us. intense wind gusts. Back over by the bridge where we started at. I want to take a look and see how these buildings fared. Of course, we'll probably get another look in the morning. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to stick around to do a site assessment on the damage, but yeah, they're without power over here on this side. Let's see how this boathouse fared. Looks pretty doggone good. Pulling back in here to one of the points that we shot a lot of the earlier parts of the video, and you can see the storm surge is really up right now.